having a fun dinner with our friends yesterday, we are set to explore new places today. We will start our journey with Venugopal Swami Temple near the KRS backwaters, which is a 30-35 minutes drive from the place we are staying in Mysore. This temple is an example of the Hoysala architecture and was built in the 12th century. The temple is surrounded by KRS backwater. If you are passionate about photography, you should come to this place, especially during sunrise and sunset. We came back to this place again in the evening to capture the sunset photos. It's 11 o'clock now and we are starting off to Gopal Swami Betta. यहाँ जाने के लिए हमें ऊटी रोड लेना है और ये बंदीपुर नेशनल पार्क के नज़दीक पड़ता है। यहाँ से ऊटी बस 60 किलोमीटर्स है। It lies in the core area of the Bandipur National Park and is frequented by wildlife including elephants. The place is at a height of around 1500 meters and is extensively wooded. Parking करने के बाद we will stand in the queue to get into the government bus which will take us to the hilltop as private vehicles are not allowed here. This temple was built by a Chola king in the 14th century and is known for its views of the surrounding hills and valleys. Dense fog predominates and covers the hills in monsoon, but now it is quite sunny. This is the Bandipur National Park and we have just come for a drive today, but we will surely show you more of this place in our later videos. In our drive from Bandipur back to Mysore, we will visit our last destination of this trip, Nanjangud. This place is famous for an ancient Shiva temple. Sri Kanteshwara temple was built by the Cholas in 11th and 12th century, so this place is pretty old. Despite the ancient history, the temple should be an example to modern architecture. As we came out of the temple, we see that the weather has changed drastically. It was sunny earlier, but now it has become much cooler. Weather, we decided to go to KRS backwaters once again to soak it all in one final time before heading back to Bangalore. We waited in the car for half an hour because it was raining heavily, but when it stopped, From here, we'll be going back to Bangalore as our weekend comes to an end. With lots of memories and an experience different than our usual Mysore trips, we are ready to get back to our daily hustle from tomorrow.